What does rescinding a disability insurance policy mean? Do you know that your disability insurance policy can be canceled even after you've paid premium for years? This tactic is called rescission, and it allows insurance companies to cancel your policy as if it never existed. And here's how they do it. The insurers are going to scrutinize your application for errors, like forgetting to disclose a past medical visit. If they find one, they're going to argue that they would never have issued the policy to you to begin with. So when you file your actual disability claim, one of the first things they're going to do is go back and look at that disability insurance application. So what should you do to prevent a policy rescission? Well, you should carefully review every application question. And you should check your medical records and your pharmacy records to make sure that there aren't any visits or medication that you may have forgotten. And I think that you should be consulting an independent agent or disability attorney if you're unsure about how to answer the questions on the application. Because if you guess wrong, you're going to have a huge problem. Why? Because if your policy is rescinded, you're going to get the premium refunded, but you may be in court suing them to enforce the policy. Now, courts may side with you, courts may not side with you. And some of the arguments that you can make is that the false statement was trivial, it was made in good faith, that your insurance agent misled you. But, that's a hard road to deal with, if you will, after the fact, when you're disabled and you really do need your disability insurance benefits. So make sure that when you are filling out your application for disability insurance that you are being accurate and complete. Take your time with it, double check your records, and please don't make a mistake. If you're facing a policy rescission, give us a call at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We'll look at the policy, we'll look at the rescission language in the letter that they've sent you terminating your coverage, and we will look at those medical records and see whether or not we have got a good argument that we can make to contest this rescission. Now remember, every state's laws are different about rescission and the burden of proof. So it's important that you're consulting with an experienced disability attorney when you're facing a rescission. 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.